We are here at Forever Young CrossFit in Orlando, Florida, and we're about to go in this place to talk a little bit about macros. Now, you're probably wondering what is the whole thing about macros, and we're gonna go dive deep into understanding exactly what is the science behind nutrition to help you achieve results. We have people waiting in here, they're getting a workout in right now. We're gonna clear everything out, and we're gonna go and drop some knowledge bombs and amazing value to help you how to take your nutrition to the next level. So join me right now and let's check it out. We all have goals, and our nutrition needs to go along with those goals, because what you do in your outside of the gym actually makes all the difference in the world.
Well, the big thing that I learned today is that we need to take care of our bodies. It's not just to eat, it's eat well.
So if you're looking to be a part of Viva Nutrition, I'd say, you can trust Andres. He knows his stuff.
Diets don't really work. It's more of understanding what you're eating every day.
If you learn how to add balance and flexibility in your nutrition, life is so much better. And I said, listen, would you prefer to just kind of do a meal plan that you're going to follow for 1 month? Or you want to create awareness for maybe 5 to 6 months to eventually wean off of that and literally look at a plate in front of you and know exactly what's in there? I would choose that latter. I would prefer to sacrifice those things to be able to accomplish that kind of result. I want you to think about your weight. I'm gonna put mine in here. It's 170 pounds. And you're gonna multiply it by 14. You can put your phones out. A really simple way to calculate immediately your maintenance calories for somebody that works out. It can be anywhere between 12 to 16, the factor by which you multiply. Thank you guys so much, and see you later.